These squirrels that I have are little chonks because they've been stealing all my bird seed. So what I've done is I've put this Slinky on the bird feeder pole, which has helped keep the squirrels off my bird feeders. And here Jasper really likes to watch the squirrels and the birds. See, he's gonna try, I think, to get on my bird feeder. But right now, he's debating whether or not to go up because the Slinky is there to prevent him from going up the bird feeder. He's just contemplating right now. Oh, there he goes. And so now he's going to run away. He's like, wait, what happened?